Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Now let's take a look at this device security, and on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap. And here actually we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint, which may be kind of confusing because here we have to choose a screen lock. It's very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will simply wipe out all of the data from your device. So it's very important you have to add the screen lock because you will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. So you can pick the pattern, pin or password, and I will pick the pattern. So now we have to draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here we have to decide what we want to show on the lock screen, so we can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's up to you which option you'd like to use, just make sure that it is marked. So I will pick this one and tap on done. Here you've got some info about the fingerprint, so for example you will be able to not only unlock your device but also, for example, to authorize the purchases. And here you've got the info, how it works, and so on and so on and so on. So let's tap on I agree, and as you can see right now we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side of our device right here. So basically all you have to do is to simply put your finger on it and do it multiple times in order to add your fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner, every part of your fingerprint to have, of course, much faster recognition after saving. Alright, and as you can see, the fingerprint has been added. It was quite easy in this device. So let's tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it. We can rename it if we want to. Let me rename it, because why not? And we can also remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon and add another one. So now I can actually go back and we can check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.